Welcome to the another tutorial. So in this tutorial we are going to create a model. So I'm going to show the model which we are going to create. So first of all we are going to create a new file. So hit on the file and click on mouse hover on the new and click on the general. When it pop up an menu, you can see that save changes before closing. So we have not anything in our scene, so we don't save. Okay, click on that one thing. Yeah, we have new environment in which just cube and camera and lighting. Okay, as before, as default. Okay, so I'm going to press hit A to select all and X to delete. And one more thing which always used screen keys to show that what I'm going to press. So you can see over here I'm going to press N to hide this menu, T to hide this menu as well, and again press T to show up. Okay, so I have pressed 1 from numpad key to into the front menu. So first of all, I'm going to bring up the reference image. Shift A, press Shift A, and into the image and reference. So get into the desktop, and here is it. Here is the model, and load the reference image. Okay. So this is our reference image. In we are going to create the simple model. So I'm going to the move tool, and we are going to move it a little bit here. Okay, so again we adjust this over here. I think so this is should be fine. Okay, whatever we are. Okay, this is the fine. So from which model we need to create this? Okay, first of all you have to analyze the model that what we can do from this. So first of all we are going to create this from the cube. Okay, so let's try it from the cube. Here is the cube model. Okay, scale down a little bit from here and match it like this. Okay, and press tab key into the edit menu and wireframe from Z so that we can see the cube. Okay, again press F1 and in the front view. Okay, I'm again going to scale down a little bit because we need a little bit curves from here to here, like you can see this curvy model. Okay, so that's why I'm using I'm scaling it down. Okay, so select these edges of only, and a little bit like this. Actually this model will be low poly model, so that's why it should be like that. Okay, again control R to add the vertices from here, and again a little bit like this. Okay, so I'm selecting this area and E to extrude. Okay, like this you can see like this as well. Okay, so again I'm in the front view, select these edges and a little bit over here, drag and leave it. As we can see that in solid view that we are just creating a box like that. Okay, so I'm going to add a modifier on it. Okay, so in this click on this modifier option, modify properties, and add solidify. Okay, so oh no, we need not solidify, but we need subdivision to check it how it looks like. Okay, so click on subdivision, it looks like this. So slowly and gradually it will be more meaningful model. So just try to make it as possible as you can. For now, I'm going to hide this one thing. Click on this, it will hide the their thing. So let's get into the model. Okay, get into the wireframe mode. Okay, so by pressing Z button and go and hover over the wireframe mode. Again, I'm going to press E to scale up. Okay, like this, and select this area like this and map it like that. Press E again. Okay, and scale over here, and again press E. So like this. Okay, hopefully we will create from one cube the whole area, but for the hands and the for the feet, we will use another means cube. Okay, so for now I'm just creating from the one cube like this. So just do it what I am done doing here. Okay, okay, great. For now I'm going to press E like this, and over here, and again I need to E to extrude like this, and again like this. Okay, actually we need a little bit down over here because we need a little bit detailing, so it could be like that. Okay, E to extrude, again select this area, again select this, and over here. Okay, so by doing this we will achieve the little bit detailing over here. Okay, actually I'm going to press over here. Okay, uh, we are going to add one more edge over here. Okay, it looks great. Okay, so for now I'm going to select this area and again E to extrude from here. Okay, and over here, and E again to extrude over here, and over here I need to just okay, just do what am I doing over here, and you will get the results. Okay, for this area we are going to edge the another edge because we need to extrude from here to the downwards. Okay, so just select this area and press E to extrude like this, again E, again E, again E, and again E, and again E. E to extrude. Okay, like this, and add some detailing by moving these vertices. Okay, okay, I can't see, but I can imagine this thing that how it can be smooth like this. Okay, so just do it like this. Okay, I think it's fine. Like this. Okay, so again we need more detailing over here. For this area I'm going to select this area whole, and again over here we need to move this. Okay, so I'm adding another one edge over here and scale it, I mean move to up to the here, and again move here like this. I don't think so we need like this, but just I think we need to do like this. I think so. Let's try this in this way. Okay, for this area I'm going to select E to extrude over here, and E to here. Okay, again over here and move it a little bit here, move here. Okay, here we are going to add an edge, something like this. Actually, why I did this, because I am going to extrude this area. Okay, I'm going to extrude this portion. Okay, this portion. So for that I have done like that. Okay, so from here I'm going to to extrude over here, something like that. Okay, and to extrude like this for now, but I'm going to edge some edges over here to make it like that. Okay, so just follow the steps. What am I doing? Okay. I think a little bit like this. Okay, okay, we are going to edge another edge here as well, because we need a little bit smoothness. Okay, like this, and select this area, and we need to add one more, I think a couple of edges over here. Okay, like this, and for this area I think we need like this. Okay, okay, great. It looks like something which is meaningful. Actually, here is the edges. We need to add some more detail by manually, and for doing this I think it should be like this. Okay, so don't worry about this one thing. Actually, we need some manual adjustment as well, so that's why it looks like that. Okay, so just turn on that modifier. Oof, oof. It looks something. Okay, so for that we need edge over here as well, because we need to be moved like this area. Okay, and we are going to select this area as well. Hmm, hmm. Okay, by selecting two of these edges we need to make like this.